The first method is guided activity. It involves teacher and student interacting while teaching. The student practice process is started by the teacher after introducing new learning by having the student work on a task that is comparable to the one they will accomplish on their own later in the lesson. And the teacher will also be able to assess the pupil's understanding on the lesson through the activity. Effective guided practices have two main advantages. First, the lesson is focused. Second, the teacher gives students clear instruction outlining when and how to use a specific strategy. The teacher provides the students with feedback on their usage of the method as well as guided practice using it. While the disadvantage is when students are forced to create an art, they will behave distractively. And the example of this method is children will draw and color shapes. The second method is brainstorming. It is a group activity where each participant share their ideas as soon as they come to mind. It is where members gather their ideas and knowledge about the activity they are doing. And the advantage of this method is that students can establish connections, think critically about problems and potential solutions, and also collaborate on ideas as they brainstorm. While the disadvantage is some members prefer to remain quiet and refrain from making spontaneous group speech. The example of this is the group of students will brainstorm in making their drama presentation. The third method is discussion. It is a cooperative strategy through which students explore their thinking, respond to ideas, process information, and articulate their thoughts in exchange with peers and the teacher. The advantage of this method is in order for students to process knowledge rather than just receive it. Discussion is vital to all learning in all areas of study. While the disadvantage is some of the students can be hesitant or shy and not want to participate, while others might want to lead. And the example of this method is students will be able to create a collage and explain their artwork.